Yes, ma'am.
So, how are you today?
I'm very good, ma'am. Thanks for asking.
Your full name is Nimisha Singh. So, could
Yes,
you
ma'am.
tell me what does this name mean, Nimisha? It's a unique name for me.
Thanks, ma'am. Nisha means something which is momentary, and it also has a meaning which is a twinkling of eye. And there's a goddess in South India which is called Nimisha Amma. So she is
Okay.
known to solve people's problem in like minutes or seconds. So yeah,
So, are
these
you
are.
ready to solve Intelligence Bureau's problem?
So I'll try my best to do that.
Hey,
And
Nimisha,
at the same
you're telling me like you'll be able to adapt to it. You posted in Kashmir with an attached unit of an RR. How will you use your skill sets currently, which you have? Can you tell me the first five ranks of the Indian Army, starting with the lieutenant?
Sir, I'm not sure about that, but I can try answering that if you allow
Okay,
me.
please tell. So, you come from Ajmer, okay, and can you tell me, give me the brief history about the Chishti order?
The Chishti order, so I'm not really thorough with that topic. I
Don't
can
you
tell
think
you
you
that
come from
previously.
Ajmer, you've stayed there,
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
Ajmer is famous for the Chishti Dargah, and you're not aware about the
Mhm.
Chishti order? I feel that your awareness level is very poor. It is only the Muslim pilgrimage side, are you sure?
Sir, actually, all the people from all kinds of religion visit there, but it is mainly like a Muslim place. If we talk about it, it is a mosque, so it is
But
Muslim.
they believe in Sufism. Sufism is for everyone. Do you think you're prejudiced
Mhm.
towards Hinduism or the Islamic religion?
No, no, sir, I won't say that.
Okay, since we are on the topic of Ajmer, your city, um, and you do not know about the Sufism, the historical part of it, can you tell me what does the name Ajmer signify?
Ma'am, it was set up by Ajay Pal. So there, from that, it is taken, and also previously its name used to be Ajay Meru.
Which all districts of Rajasthan share border with Pakistan?
So it is Bardmer, Jaisalmer, and some part of Alwar as well. I think, yeah, these three.
Okay, can you please tell me what's the difference between LOC, LAC, and IB?
And third one was
IB.
IB. Okay.
What is, Nimisha, what is cross-border terrorism and how does it differentiate from narco-terrorism?
So in cross-border terrorism, the terrorists are situated in another country, and from there they try to operate and like radicalize people and then carry out their operations. In narco-terrorism, what they do is they supply narcotic substances in the another country, and from by supplying that they create a network in the another country, which helps them carrying out their operations.
What kind
In
of
that
operations
instance,
are you talking about?
the terrorist operations and like attacking the militaries and spreading terror in the other country. So I think that
Since
is
you're
the
talking
difference.
about changing the environment, so why not go for other job options like SSC or maybe a CDS exam or
Civil
maybe other
services.
civil services exam, banking jobs? Why only IB?
Mm, I think I'm not suitable for a banking job or a SSC job because there the work is very limited. I feel.
You try for the armed forces before that, that gives you the similar kind of opportunity. It gives you the option of desk job, it gives you the operations. Actually, you would be doing operations, but though in IB you will actually not implementing the operation because the forces would be implementing the operations. So why haven't you gone for the armed forces then? Because you haven't mentioned anything
Uh,
about CDS, CAPF, AFCAT, or the other exams.
Sir, actually, I do not satisfy the height criteria for the defense exam, so I could not attend them.
So with the Pakistan which we share, that means from the Rajasthan, the districts you have mentioned from there to the Jammu and Kashmir, that is the entire LOC.
No, sir. It is from the area of Gujarat to the Kashmir area, and then it goes up to Indira Koal, I think.
Okay, see, what I see is that from engineering, you have always been a desk job. Like the toughness of intelligence bureau job is on a very different level. You will be posted to areas which are very secluded from the prime city areas you have lived. So I really doubt how would you live there because टिल नाउ आप जितनी भी जगहों में रही हैं, आप शहरों के अंदर रही हैं। शहरों के बाहर निकलकर आपको ऐसी जगहों पे, कोनों पे रहना पड़ेगा जहाँ पर शायद किसी प्रकार की अगर बेसिक नेसेसिटीज अवेलेबल नहीं हो। तो क्या आप उन चीजों के लिए तैयार हो? और अगर आप उन चीजों के लिए तैयार हो तो आप कैसे तैयार हो? Okay, since you mentioned Naxalism, what's the difference between Naxalism, terrorism, militancy, and insurgency? Who has said that the power flows from the barrel of the gun?
It is by Maoism.
So that's the philosophy.
Okay, you can relax, please. First of
Now
all,
you
if
can
you want to have
relax.
water, please have
Yeah.
water.
Yeah.
And Nisha, you are a well-spoken girl.
Yes, definitely. You are
Please,
comfortable in
if
both
you-
the languages.
Yes, that's
Very
good.
good. Question she answered that I will not use the female card.
Yes,
That was very nice.
that was very good.
Okay.
You need to do some more of research and homework, yeah. Huh?
You want to go?
On Ajmer basically.
See, you see, if you are not aware, see, IB की जो नौकरी है इसमें observation बहुत important है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. They rely on the people who are very observant. Think about it. You are staying in Ajmer and you don't know about Chishti order. जिसके लिए basically Ajmer. Your homework, as ma'am told about internal personality is good. Generally we meet candidates जिसको external अच्छा पता होता है, internal नहीं पता होता और वो गड़बड़ करते हैं. तुम्हारे केस में internal तुम sorted हो, ठीक है? और ये जो external information है ना, ये ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता इसको gather करने में. I hope good learning.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo, good. All the best.
All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Nice
Bye-bye.
meeting you. Bye. Thank you.